Hi everyone, I'm going to show you here how to operate a trekking pole. See, this is the trekking pole. Nice quality, good quality, lightweight, fully extended trekking pole. But how do you reduce it or how do you extend it? It's very simple. See here. What is it? Lock to the left, open to the right. Okay, lock to the left, rotate to the left, and for opening just rotate to the right. So what, it's already locked. We are going to twist it, rotate it to the right. We are going to unlock it. See, now it is going inside. Okay, this is how you do it. Now lock it to the left. This is again not moving. See this, just rotate right. Now it goes in. Rotate left to lock it.